Welcome, day 5 Mexico. Just in the room, did some laundry last night. What's up? We're supposed to go to Salarita today, but the old meter man for the solar panels didn't show up. So we're going Thursday, which is fine. So we're gonna go to Mega, get some more bread, maybe some other stuff. Melly? Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then tomorrow, ATVing, awesome. Oh, tonight we're getting the person in to cook for us, right?
Awesome, I'm looking forward to that.
Are you?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not what I want.
I told you. Oh my God, where's Frank the tank? I gotta go talk to him.
It doesn't matter because she probably already got it, so don't worry. Fine.
She happy? I'm not happy. Life's not happy when Melly's not happy. All right, so let's head to Mega. Day 4 also looks a little gloomy out, but a little cloudy. We'll get some sun eventually, don't worry. It'll come. It'll come to day 5. Oh, the water's calm though, which is nice. What? What?
Dad's gonna try and take us out somewhere this afternoon. Like just close, like nice viewing spot.
Alright, your dad? Cool. So we're still going somewhere, folks. You hear that? We're still on a trip. The sports flex, watching some track and field. Some good music going too, some Mexicano music. Wonder what the next race is. Oh. Guess that's the next crew. Oh, they're all, yeah, relay still? Relay?
Yeah, I think so.
So there. Cool.
Okay.
Yellow? Melly's got green.
Crucen todos de una vez, por favor, para que se vayan formando.
I'll take red, or whatever, orange, whatever that is over there.
Posición 1, ¿está lista?
Orange and red.
I'm taking the inside thing. Alright, everyone's got their colors.
La meta, estiramos el cordón.
I'm going yellow.
What's that going?
Green.
Green? Oh, Mel.
Va saliendo el grupo de séptimo.
Where's this? Why?
Why is there only one green person there? I'm
El
confused.
grupo A y el grupo B están corriendo juntos.
Come on, there's my yellow in the lead. Yes!
Oh, my guy's falling behind. Oh no, he's catching up. Look at him go. Yeah, my guy's in second. Oh, go, 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 go. Yeah, go, go. Go, red.
Oh, she's...
Yeah, red. Red's taking the lead.
Come on, yellow!
Oh, shit. She's just giving her.
El siguiente
Oh, baby.
Todo el verde va a quedar en la posición 4, todos los demás van a continuar.
Why is there nobody else over there?
Vamos, 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 vamos.
Oh, they just don't have anybody. We're gonna be...
Oh, yeah, first place. First place. First place.
Come on, yellow!
I know. That's the perfect spot.
Vamos, Monse. Vamos, Cristi.
Go green! place.
Oh!
Yeah, she came back.
The champion, the champion.
Place, that's awesome.
Yeah, see, I only bet the place.
You bet the place.
I
So
don't
I always bet the horse to win.
Yeah. No, you don't.
No, I know, I don't.
Wow, that second girl just took off.
Her stride was unbelievable.
It's because she plays smaller.
Green was the only one that had one over here.
Yeah, because maybe because
Probably
they're
had
smaller.
enough juice to give her.
No, maybe because like smaller, so they got the advantage of having another person. Maybe is that the reason?
So did your green end up coming in second, or did we?
It was close.
I think we.
Well, maybe the video will help us too later. I think yellow took it. I think yellow took it.
Came back hard. She like did her head thing too.
Yeah, I'm guessing yellow took second.
Yeah, I don't know.
Maestros de secundaria, si me vienen a apoyar aquí, con el maestro Manuel.
Oh, green came in second.
Oh, you came second. Good job.
And obviously red, orange, whatever it was. Number one. Wieners, nothing but wieners here.
Well, we just ate some delicious lunch. Now Frank's gonna take us to a place to get some vanilla to bring back because it's apparently really cheap here compared to Canada, and some candies so I can bring back to work so everyone can try some Mexican candies, and then hit the pool after that. All right, so let's rock.
That's manchas.
Manchas?
Means spots. Spots.
Oh, spot.
They named that. I gave it to them. I personally would have named him something different. And he's very spunky. Outgoing.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you take that.
I know. Yeah, I'm not inside though. We always take it with us, Wong Wong.
4.5 months. He couldn't walk a month ago. That guy over there. He had him in bad condition. Toby, good boy. He's there. But they got this guy because their other schnauzer got ran over like about a month and a week.
So why couldn't
So I
we
told
walk?
him, because the breeder had him in a chicken pen, in a chicken coop with chickens, and he was full, he was the tip of his ears. They still got scarring from all the ticks and the fleas, used them up and all that. Just, the immune system was really low. You could see his around. He couldn't hardly walk. He walked like this. And
You good now?
yeah, he socialized with their other Chihuahua. Now I gave him this one like a little week, so I saved him too. Yeah, because the gentleman had a stroke and he couldn't get out of bed. How is he going to take care of the puppy? The
Lays.
puppy had feces here.
Ways to get
The guy lives in
something on my
square.
card, my phone.
No bathroom, nothing. So I had to go clean the guy's bucket of urine. It's like he's even urine and all that. Anyway, hopefully we'll have good ending. Now I regret I had just given them. I could have sold them. Everybody wants to buy them.
Oh yeah, he's sweet.
Yeah, I sold like.
We got 2 at home. We can't even have any more. We're not allowed.
But anyways, I figured that as long as he goes to a good home, as soon as I figured, well, they just got that one, but his boss, which is my boss, his Jose's wife.
We're just waiting for dinner. We got 2 chefs in making us traditional Mexican food. It smells awesome, so let's take a look how they're doing. Not sure what that is, but it looks good. My dad's out there just looking fresh. So now I gotta get dressed myself, look nice, have a shower, because I don't look presentable enough for traditional Mexican, because I'm just a bum right now, so I gotta look nice. Alright, let's do this. Well, I clean up, not nice. Oh wow, you got the shades on. Is it sunny in here or there?
It's gonna be out there.
Oh, okay, whatever. Alright, Sonny McGee. Let's go see the rest of them. Bum bum bum. Well, it looks like my dad's taking videos. The pictures, I don't know what he's doing out there. Oh, the sun's setting at some point in the next 3 years.
Oh, did you bring my phone? You whipped my phone down.
Yeah. You having fun there?
Well, this is a sunset. You better get your camera ready.
Sweet.
This is a sunset off.
It'll be ready to go when it's ready, so.
About 20 minutes.
20 minutes? Sweet.
Supper should be ready in about 20 minutes.
Let the countdown begin to supper and the awesome sunset, folks. Get ready. It's coming. Next. Well, fail on the sunset. Stupid clouds are in the way. I was all set up with the mini tripod and everything, / pistol grip, but I guess not. So let's continue waiting for food. Hopefully it's done in the next hour, I guess. Let's go see what the parents are doing. Wow, this thing is in my way. Showing off all your delicious pictures.
He's giving me shit.
For what?
Because I didn't get down here for the fucking
sunset didn't even really happen.
Yes, it did.
The clouds are in the way. No, look at the clouds are in the way.
Okay, I have pictures.
The sun did start setting, but then the clouds got in the way. Oh well, what can you do?
I have proof.
Oh, where's the proof?
I have proof.
Look, it's starting to set. That's about it. Let's go check on the food. Food check. Update on my foot. Let's see how the
looks. Bigger cut than I was expecting. Stupid pool. Very stupid. Alright, ready to eat. Let's go sit down.
Is that squid there?
The time this woman has taken to prepare this meal. Are you praying? The steps that she's gone through are amazing. I just want to let you know.
I know you should have seen the last time.
Look nice, Frank. Frank, look nice, not silly. Much better.
She stood there, let it cook, and then she put the shrimp, meticulously arranged them properly, and flipped them. I just went, are you kidding, woman?
Well, she is getting paid the big bucks.
The big bones.
Big bones.
Big donatos.
She has earned
Donatos.
every bit of a good tip tonight. I give her.
Yeah, it was really good, the tortilla soup. That's cream cheese, isn't it?
And that's a chili.
yeah.
That's a chili?
Yeah, she's told me several times.
Oh, she told you?
Yeah, that's chili.
You would-
I hope she told you.
I was in there
I don't think he
watching.
could have gotten his face any closer.
Oh, really? It was
yeah.
that bad?
Yes, I was. What?
Look, guys, look what I'm gonna eat.
Bad boy. Avocado?
Yeah, it was good in here. I actually ate it.
You like avocado?
Yeah. But I ate it in here because I mixed it and made sure I put.
Un amigo de que le corta el pelo trae al músico.
For friends? I got me amigo, which is friend. Friend what?
That's a thing. I'm sorry, so.
She said
You
her
see what
friend
she's doing, eh?
Yes, there's the girls first.
Yeah, the girls first.
Yeah.
I noticed that.
Us guys gotta suffer.
A friend of hers in
He's antsy McBancy, but can't get it.
It was easier for me to serve or give it to him. I think I might be getting special, maybe, I don't know. Gracias. I can't tell.
What?
I can't tell.
What was you supposed to have or not have?
Whatever that's good.
You only have shrimp and chicken.
Did they put squid in it?
For us, they did. I had to make a special.
Yeah, no, I'm just making sure that that's
Anything you don't like in there on your plate,
I'm putting
you
it
just
right
put it over
there.
here
I
on
will.
mine.
Yeah, you hear that?
I will.
Even if you don't think, just
Even if I like it, I'll go.
sure. Just give me your plate now.
Oh yeah, just give them the plate. We'll make it quesadillas. Make it easy on yourself.
We're getting quesadillas tomorrow, right?
Yep.
You know, I could make you quesadillas. And Alex,
Hot sauce.
But you don't lose your napkin.
Oh, here it goes.
This is
5 seconds. Gone.
Okay, yeah. I'll
look
know
at
if
the
it's squid. And then we'll
octopus.
see it. Oh, octopus or whatever. I see the tentacles on that. I am. Mine is.
but if she finds any pieces in there, she'll.
I'm not talking to you. Remember? You and I are not
Esta
speaking.
otra también. Sí. Por favor.
Octopus.
Alright, dig in.
Done hot sauce?
Waiting for dust fireworks. Fireworks, fireworks. That's what we do as Firework Town. Well, we spotted something over here. I'm not sure what the hell it is. 2 thingies up in the air. I don't know. Are those drones or what the hell are those? Huh. Right there and there. Right there. Huh. Wonder what they are. They're flying high. I don't know. There's something in the sky though.
guys, we got some UFOs up here.
Yeah. What is the definition of a UFO? Unidentified flying object.
No, we've seen those.
What are they?
I think they're those lantern balloon things. Like
yeah, like the Chinese lantern?
Yeah, I've seen them before. See? Look, I've seen them.
Like, they're not moving.
Are they, what are,
Yeah, they are.
drones?
They're still UFOs.
Are they drones?
No, I don't. They're lighting up though.
Yeah, you know those Chinese lanterns that they send into the skies? We saw them before.
I don't think we saw them here though.
Yeah, well, you're like, what the fuck is
There's still UFOs in my books because it means they're unidentified. That's actually what a UFO is. Like, if you can't identify it, it's a UFO.
Okay,
Even if it's not alien.
you can see it's flickering. So
Yeah, it could be dust aliens coming.
there's one up higher.
I know.
See the one way the fuck up there?
No, I only
Or that was
see two.
a,
That's a
no,
star.
maybe that's a star. Yeah, it flickered for a second there.
No. You saw it here, folks.
They're going out. They're dying out. Yeah, somebody let them go.
Oh, that one's almost gone.
Yeah.
Chinese fire lanterns, I guess. I guess they're not UFOs anymore. They've been identified by something.
Well, that's it for day 5, folks. See you tomorrow.